Today is the day. My team and I are going to be presenting the Gridiron glove up in Portland, Oregon. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Hi y'all, I know it's been a very long day, but I have a very important question to ask you.
She takes a 3-step drop. Pull back the throw, the catch. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Clark Hazlett, better known as an amateur athlete. Today is the day. My team and I are going to be presenting the Gridiron glove up in Portland, Oregon. Right now it's starting to rain, unfortunately, so I need to get the camera out of the rain. Right now I'm currently headed up to Portland, Oregon with my team, as we are going to be going up there to be setting up our booth to be essentially competing for this invention competition called Invent Oregon. And we're going to be introducing our product to the public, so really looking forward to this. Right now I'm going to be currently headed up and making a stop in Lake Oswego, Oregon, where I'm going to be picking up our third and final prototype, which I'm really excited about. I have not seen it yet personally, so we'll pick that up and then we'll probably do a little bit of an unboxing once we get up to Portland, once I'm with the team. And we got to set up our booth, and then it's pretty much go time after that. So I'm going to be really honing in on my pitch on this drive up, so I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit once I get to the FedEx location in Lake Oswego. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so it's about 8:30 right now. I'm supposed to be up in Portland at 9, but the shipping place doesn't open until 9. So we've got a little bit of a problem. We're gonna be waiting here for about 30 minutes because we really need this prototype.
20 minutes later.
Oh, here comes the lady. Yes, yes.
Because my mentor's name was on the package, they have to essentially authorize that the package is mine in order to allow me to pick it up. So it's now back to the waiting game.
20 minutes later.
We spoke to the manager and he said we just need to get a hold of Reed in order to release it. So if you want to wait for a little bit, we left him a message, we're just waiting to hear back.
All right, so now I have to call Reed, confirm I can pick up the package. Awesome.
1 hour later.
Still waiting on the package. I haven't got a hold of my mentor Reed, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get some other way around this to see if I can pick it up. Because I gotta be at Portland Stage in about 30 minutes, so hopefully something works out here. Yeah.
1 eternity later.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, the package is secured. It's now time to head up to Portland State. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we just arrived here at Portland State. Big shout out to Stephanie, who's right here. She was so kind enough to trade booth spots so that our team has a little bit more room to put up our booth. And right now, as you guys can see, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Amanda and Shannon are putting together the field goal, because we're gonna be kicking some field goals today a little bit later. Just kidding, we're not. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here we have Shannon and Amanda, my two awesome team members, and they're about to be opening our third prototype. So ladies, go ahead, without further ado. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. What is going on here? It may be too big, ladies and gentlemen. Bruh. I mean, it looks like our prototype, not gonna lie. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see here, the squad is testing out the glove. You said it's a 7.5 functionally?
Yeah, we said it's a little slightly on the larger side.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are officially coming out here at Portland State University to get a chance to test the glove out. It'll be our real first time on some turf with both prototypes. We're not gonna be using our first prototype because that one's just really not that functional. It's more proof of concept. So I got the girls out here and let's see how it goes. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got Amanda rocking the helmet, Gridiron glove helmet. Oh shoot. All right, she's got a cannon. She's just getting warmed up. She takes a 3-step drop. Pull back the throw, the catch. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Amanda Reeser. 3-step drop, catch, the throw, touchdown. All right, so as you guys can see, the glove works. The rain's really starting to come down here in Portland, so we're gonna head back inside and yeah, we'll catch up with you guys a little bit. Once we're done finishing our booth, we're not done yet. We had to open up the prototype and test it out. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our first product testers right here. We got Shannon and Amanda throwing the balls. Let's see how it goes here. All right, you guys ready? Okay, give him a shot. Give him a shot. Get ready. This one's coming in hot, brother. We're second to last out of 32 teams. Oh man. So guys, just to tell you all what we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna be rocking the helmet while Shannon and Amanda are gonna be carrying the prototypes and handing out little business cards with stickers on it. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh. Branding in its finest. That's one thing that definitely our team is really focusing on, is not only we're gonna be able to pitch this idea to have investors buy into us in regard to potentially starting this company in the future, but how well can we brand our product and sell? Because at the end of the day, if you can't sell product, you're not gonna be in business at all. I'm gonna go over my pitch a little more with the squad. Yeah. And we'll catch up with you guys soon. Have you ever caught a football thrown at 45 miles per hour? All right, ladies and gentlemen, Shannon and Amanda are about to do their run through on the stage. And as you can see, they're walking up. Amanda's rocking the helmet and Shannon's gonna be pitching. I know they're both super nervous, but I know they're both gonna kill it, and this is gonna be super awesome for them. One, just getting a chance to talk about the product, because they're both the second best people at speaking to the product besides, well, me, but awesome team members, and I'm really looking forward to getting a chance to see their pitch.
Help me welcome Gridiron Glove.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Linfield College.
There they go. Wow, there they are.
Hi y'all, I know it's been a very long day, but I have a very important question to ask you.
What is it?
Have you ever caught a football thrown at 45 miles per hour?
Let's see your poses. Ooh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so they just went up and they killed it. How was it?
Wow.
Wow.
It was a little nerve-wracking, not gonna lie.
Yeah? You got it? You're
Kind
gonna
of fed
kill
off of it though.
Good, good, good.
Kind
Your tone was great. Poses,
I gotta work out.
amazing. We'll talk tonight.
Alright guys, we just wrapped up our dress rehearsal on the main stage for our pitch tomorrow for the crowd. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Anyway, Amanda, so how did it feel to be on the large stage?
Stage is big, but you know what? You get used to it.
Oh my god, who's that?
I don't know.
How are
I'm
you feeling?
excited.
Yeah?
It's gonna be a fun day.
I think it is too, and thank God Amanda's gonna be up there with me because that makes all the world of a difference.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're now here chilling at our booth until I present one of our professors, Professor Russ Payne. Oh, he's out here testing out the glove. And yeah, so we're just playing a little bit of a waiting game before I go in and kill this pitch, so wish your boy luck. Yeah.
20 minutes later.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so it is now time to head to pitch to the investors. I'm here with my team member Amanda, Shannon, and one of our professors, Russ Payne, who's gonna be here for the pitch. Pretty sure I got this whole pitch nailed down, so I'm super excited. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are currently here in the waiting room, and we've got a lot of other colleges out here that are gonna be presenting their pitch here in a little bit. You can tell everyone's super excited, but I think a lot of people are nervous. I'm nervous. Some of you guys nervous? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're on deck to be going next for this pitch. Our team is ready. I'm gonna be walking out, rocking the helmet, while my team members Amanda and Shannon are gonna be handing the gloves, and we're gonna be handing out some gloves. We're about like 2 minutes out from the pitch. Are you ladies ready?
Ready? Ready to go?
I'm pumped.
Yeah. And yeah, we're gonna go in, knock this pitch out in about 3 minutes, have a little bit of Q&A, and we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. So I think you guys can hear the final clapping.
Let's get it, baby.
Hello, hello. I wanted to spice it up a little bit. So we're gonna get almost 10 minutes to last year. Before I get started, this is my team member Amanda Rooster, and my team member Shannon Soler, and we are Team Gridiron Glove from Linfield College. Have you ever caught a football thrown at 45 miles per hour? If not, it's damn hard, and your hands feel like they just got hit by a brick. My name is Clark Hazlett, founder of the Gridiron Glove, a football training aid that bridges the gap between the discomfort and difficulty involved in catching a football. As a young boy growing up, the bonding moments of throwing a football as hard as I could in the backyard at my dad for hours and hours are the memories I still cherish to this day. As I got bigger and stronger, the problem was that my dad started to become reluctant to want to play catch with me. This is because of the pain that he experienced when he would catch my football. We even tried a variety of other sports gloves, but they didn't have much luck solving the discomfort and difficulty that he experienced. my personal experience of over 17 years involved in the sport of football, as well as knowing the ins and outs of football equipment, the Gridiron glove will bring a biomechanical fit with protective materials that will allow parents, trainers, and coaches the ability to train their athletes at a high level. You get a football thrown at you at 45 miles per hour, do you think you can catch it? With the Gridiron glove? Absolutely. Oh, that was awesome. I feel like I talked really fast. No, it's like 3 minutes.
Good work, bro.
Moving forward, we gotta really just show the judges tomorrow what our presentation's gonna be like at our booth. So with that said, big shout out to Alexis, as y'all can see right there.
It's me, Alexis. Yeah, I'll put my Instagram on the bottom, and I'm an entrepreneur myself. I got 2 products that I'm building. That's my boy back there, Jimmy. He's an entrepreneur himself. His Instagram will be on there as well, and my YouTube will be on there. And yeah, shout out to this guy for killing the presentation.
Yes, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so like you guys just saw, we killed it as a team. Super, super happy with how everything went. I felt like I was talking a little bit fast, but the girl said it's flowed well, so that was super awesome. With that said, we're gonna be concluding with everything here today. And yeah, then we're gonna be going to like this dinner social this afternoon. So with that said, we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Appreciate you guys for all the love and support. Yeah. All right, guys, so as y'all know, Shannon and Amanda are gonna be doing the big pitch tomorrow. Right on this main stage in front of all of these people. Shannon's parents are like surprising her with the whole family, so we're about to capture her reaction. And Shannon's parents brought everyone in her family up to come watch her, so we're gonna be capturing her reaction here. So it's gonna be super sweet. Oh! Whoa! Surprise! Got the little surprise on camera. All right, well, we surprised her and the whole family's here. Her grandparents, as you guys saw, her mom and dad and brother. And now we're showing them the booth. So yeah, with that said, we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit on our way to the reception. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, arrived at Rogue Hall, which is some reception area, where we're gonna be hanging out with everybody and some of the judges, so we'll let you guys know how it goes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so like I said, we're here at Rogue Hall. You guys have seen this guy before. Big shout out to Leo. He was actually one of the judges for our pitch. To let the viewers know, what was your overall thoughts?
Well, first, I think you guys got a really tough spot because it was towards the end of the list.
Really?
But you guys came in with a lot of energy. You guys presented well, very professional. It looked like a team, it looked like a brand. You brought in the prototype, which I think really helps to get the product across.
Right.
Yeah, 2 different. So like it was finished. I was excited. Like I was ready. I wanted to buy it.
Yeah. Well, you guys know Leo is in the process of starting up his own company, and he's got his own YouTube channel. So that's going to be linked right up here. We'll probably be getting a chance to see him tomorrow at our booth, so we'll catch up with Leo then. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that does conclude day 1 of the Invent Oregon Finals. We're right here with Amanda, Shannon, and Shane Doggy. What's up, brother? That's Shannon's brother right there, for any of y'all who are curious.
Twin brother. But yeah.
Twin brother. Wow.
Older.
But yeah, today we're gonna be concluding today's video right now. Thank you guys for all the love and support. As you guys saw, we had a pretty successful day. The real day is gonna be tomorrow, so we'll catch up with you guys then. Yeah.